So let's take 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the parent. The green one will be the parent. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 4 carbons in a straight chain connected to the parent. So it will be but, then add YL. So butyl. Continuous 4 carbons attached to the parent. You will say it will be butyl. Okay. What if you get 1, 2, 3, 4? Same 4 carbons but different arrangement. Okay. So we go add 1, then attach. See, this is getting more trickier and trickier. Okay, spy something really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 black, which is the carbon. The green one be parent. It will be continuous for the black one. It will be continuous because there's a branch one right here. So we get something secondary carbon. Secondary carbon is where a carbon is attached to 2 other extra carbons. So we get 1. If you check this guy, we get 1, 2 carbons. If we like we J this guy from it, then it will be what? Iso. You see, it be Y catapult Y, but it will be fully Y, so it will be iso. So this one will go Bellam secondary butyl or sec butyl. But if you don't go systematica, it about. If you don't go systematica, you go obviously you go start the count from here. So 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1. So it will be 1 metal, because this metal 1 carbon is bonded to position number 1 for this guy. So 1 metal, and then this, how many carbons did they see? The black one, 1, 2, 3. So 1 metal, 3 be prop, so propyl. 1 metal propyl. Okay, 1 metal propyl. It about awesome. If you come here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The same 4 carbons. It about same 4 carbons but arranged differently. So we get the parent, which is the green ball for here, no? Then it's connected to spy. We arrange them. This thing they carry or something. Yeah, it's like Y pepe. So this is the parent, you know. If you cover the parent now, it will be Y EDC. It be Y, so then it will be iso. It be Y, so it will be iso. Then iso, no, we get so many isopropyl because it be 3 carbons. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So isobutyl, okay, because it be 4 carbons with here. It about. But if you don't go systematica, make we see. This will be the parent, you know. 1, 2, 3. So this metal, no, is attached to carbon number 2. So it will be 2 metal, 1, 2, 3. 3 be prop. So 2 metal. This be the metal, and 2. This be metal. It be 1 carbon. So it be metal. But they are attached to carbon position 2. If they come from here, 1, 2. So it will be 2, because this guy they are attached to position number 2. So 2 metal, 1, 2, 3 propyl. It will be the substituent, you know. So 2 metal propyl. So I they show you the common name for the substituent. We are they show you the IUPAC system, no, how you go name them one by one. It about like according to the naming system. It about awesome. So make we move on to the last one, no? Then we go call the class to an end. Then at the car you say, Charlie, I get so many amazing videos with the KokoChem Education YouTube channel. So please, I beg you go subscribe and let me know what you think. This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you any video no one no be every month, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.